Thuy, Spiritual Ninja. Today we're going to go over meditation, and I'm going to give you a meditation tip that may help you out. If you've been struggling with it or trying to get back into it again, one of the easiest meditations to do is just picking a mantra and saying it over and over again. You can say it for an amount like 3 minutes or 5 minutes, or the transcendental meditation, which is like 15 to 20 minutes. You can also say it in according with like some kind of music in the background, like white noise. My favorite is to use a mala. So a mala is a prayer bead, very much like a rosary. It's got 108 beads, and the beads normally are stones that can bring out a certain intention for you. What I like to do is just put it on my second finger here, and then you just say a mantra and use one of the beads per mantra. My favorite mantra lately is, may I be free, may I find peace, may I have grace and courage. So, may I be free, may I find peace, may I have grace and courage. May I be free, may I find peace, may I have grace and courage. May I be free, may I find peace, may I have grace and courage. So I say this 108 times, and it makes me really focus. It makes me just zone out of all the other things that I need to, and this sets the intention for my day. So I hope that this tip helps you. If it does, please leave a comment in our comment section, and namaste.